What is up, YouTube? I am back again with another banger. Okay, so this is from his grandma and granddad, late Christmas. So I brought him over here to see his grandparents, you know, and I was just licking my lips. I'm sorry, y'all. Anyways, I'm looking at Botis because we're about to bring him over here, but let me get the box really quick. So this is what we're gonna do. We're about to get into the video and we're about to unbox. Botis is over there looking at the camera because he's crazy. Today I got a new tripod. I will post that. It is super cool. I love it. But what's up, everybody? I'm in Walmart. We got some good YouTube bangers coming. I purchased this huge tripod. I'm very excited, but yeah, I got some YouTube bangers coming y'all's way. I should be posting today or tomorrow.
How you been? Pranked.
So I still don't know what it is.
You can tell what it is? Hand me the scissors from the couch.
I'm screaming. Is this a prank?
No. It's for Botis. It's for Christmas. What Granddad and Grandma got me.
Okay, so this would keep him safe, you know, for like whenever he's sleeping or whenever we travel. You know, I could just slide him in here and, you know, put him in his little bag or his stroller, because his grandma did get him a stroller.
We'll talk about that. I have not decided if you get that stroller yet. Yes, on camera, I'm saying that.
What did you say?
I don't care, don't look at me
Grandma.
like that, Botis.
But yes, he's got a stroller that
Yes,
Grandma
that's
doesn't
my
want to give
stroller.
up yet. And he absolutely hates it, but it's okay. I take him out in public a lot for Christmas from Grandma and Granddad. He got a taco bed.
You gotta show the top and all. So you can see all the fixings, the tomatoes and the cheese and the lettuce, and show the other part of it so you can see the...
So, we got Botis in the background in his bed, sleeping now.
He loves it.
He loves it.
He loves it. I sing like you.
Ha.